Good day to you. I'm Sergey, and thank you for joining us at KALDEWEI Virtual Stand.
Also, a very warm welcome and hello from my side. My name is Manuela, and we are really happy to have you here today. But before we will begin, we would like to point out that the chat is now open for your questions. Feel free to put in your questions. We will have an eye on that during the presentation, and we will answer them at the end. But I just would say now, let's start with Innovations 2021. And I say, Sergey, the stage is yours.
Thank you, Ella. KALDEWEI is a 102-year-old family business based in Aalen, Germany. KALDEWEI is a leading manufacturer of bathtubs, shower trays, and wash basins. All products are manufactured in-house at the factory in Aalen, including production of its own unique steel enamel. The company has around 800 employees worldwide and has presence in over 80 countries. So what is steel enamel? Steel enamel is essentially a fusion of steel and glass into one solid surface, which is highly durable, non-porous, non-abrasive, resistant to impact, and is also fire retardant. KALDEWEI steel enamel comes with a 30-year warranty, making it a really valuable investment, which comes with a peace of mind of knowing company's 100-year-old history of delivering top quality. So let's have a quick look at individual material. Steel is the most recycled material in the world, more than all other materials combined. It is extremely strong and long-lasting. Glass is inherently smooth and non-porous, hence hygienic material that is pleasant to touch. The unique formula for KALDEWEI enamel is consistently refined. As a result, steel enamel is 100% recyclable and uses up to 25% recycled steel, hence classified as best-in-class environmental products. Now that we have looked into material that is used for manufacturing, let's have a look at our products, starting with shower solutions. Manuela will take it from here.
Thank you, Sergey. Let's have the first look into the Nexus. The Nexus, the investment that it's worth it. Why? Convince yourself. Nowadays, you can find that solution kind of all over the world. The tight solution with the channel design. And on the other hand side, our shower tray made out of steel enamel with a seamless surface, easy to clean and durable. The Nexus combines the best of two worlds, all the advantages of an enameled shower surface with the modern design of a shower channel. There's definitely no quicker and easier way to install a floor-level shower surface with a waste channel. It's kind of a key success factor, I would say it like this, because it's a pre-assembled 4-in-1 system consisting of a waste channel, slope support, sealing tape, and the steel enamel surface. The steel enamel surface, it's hygienic, long-lasting, and sustainable. And these are just few advantages this material has. In comparison to a tile solution, due to our non-porous surface, germs cannot live on that. And nowadays, and in future, hygienic bathroom solutions become more and more important. And for that reason, the Nexus, the investment that it's worth it. Coming a little bit closer also to some installation tips. It's a kind of installation of a slope profile. The shower enclosure has to be next to the shower tray. And at the end of the day, you have the result of a beautiful installed Nexus in white. You would like to get the Nexus in a color similar to the tile or to the floor used in your bathroom? Let's find a color together with you in my next chapter, where I will present our new coordinated color selection. Our new coordinated color selection is kind of expressive, coordinated, and freely combinable. Here you have the full page of our coordinated color selection. We are starting with an alpine white matte, going to the beige tones, coming to the cool gray tones, and at the end of the day, the black matte. And what can you observe there? It's definitely matching the current high trends. You want to feel and touch this material? No problem at all. We also introduces now a new concept of our animal samples. The animal samples are perfect for the communication and explanation of our material, our material advantages, the range of colors, the animal coatings, and as well the production process. We offer a sample book which is perfect for a clear presentation of our color ranges. It's easy to transport. It contains 24 animal samples of our new coordinated color selection, as well as different surface coatings. But that's not all regarding our colors. KALDEWEI understands what you as a customer wants. Let's make our life a little bit more colorful. Next to the coordinated color selection, please have a look into our trend colors. First of all is the navy blue matte, and personally, this is definitely my favorite color. It's a unique deep blue, which is perfectly reflecting the current maritime time. This matte color underlines the natural mood in living. Next to our navy blue matte color, we also introduce now 3 further powerful and cheerful colors. It's the sweet love, the soft touch, and the deep dream. They are uniquely strong colors for you who want to turn the bathroom into a feel-good place with a character. You want to have an eye-catcher in your bathroom? The Miena ball in one of those colors is definitely the best choice. Through his images, Bryan Adams, yes, he's not only a rock star, he's also a kind of really good photographer, emotionally signaled the connectedness and awareness of hygiene in those controversial times in our campaign Natural Union. We are all naturally connected and have a responsibility to look after each other and the environment. Everyday's action, like, for example, washing your hands, have never been important than today. KALDEWEI steel enamel, made out of 100% natural materials, is easy to clean, ultra hygienic due to its component made out of steel and glass. By following really simple hygiene standards, we can join hands with our family, with our friends, with you, with our partners. This is how we can easily create a hygienic environment. My time is over now, and for that reason I will hand over to Sergey. He will introduce to you now our new wash basins 2021.
Thank you, Ella. The new under-counter wash basin KALDEWEI is being launched as we speak and will be available for orders end of second quarter this year. Designed for contemporary hospitality interiors, this product is inspired by puristic architectural forms, clean lines and complemented by soft curving surfaces. With depth of 173 millimeters, the basin's interior provides the wash basin with a feel of luxurious spaciousness. On the commercial side of things pertaining to project business, KALDEWEI under-counter wash basin was designed to meet the price point of currently subdued market conditions, and it is suitable for all types of projects, whether it is a hotel guest room, a residential or commercial bathroom. As all KALDEWEI products are enameled from both sides, top and bottom, KALDEWEI is well suited to meet stringent parameters of healthcare industry as well as other institutional projects. KALDEWEI under-counter wash basin is easy to clean due to soft curvature of the material and has a hidden overflow, which means the overflow opening sits opposite to the wash basin mixer where you do not see it. In order to complement and complete the KALDEWEI product family, in addition to the bathtub and the shower tray, we are introducing KALDEWEI countertop wash bowl, KALDEWEI under-counter, and KALDEWEI drop-in wash basin. All 3 wash basins models
Sergey?
as professional clients.
Sir?
We are also We are also pleased to announce and introduce another countertop wash basin, Ming. Designed for contemporary interiors, this collection is inspired by Chinese furniture details. Its simple silhouette creates a timeless and sculptural shape with generous interior depth. The basin comes in 400mm diameter without overflow and is available in a variety of available colors. Ming is already available for orders. Now I would like to mention the novelties within our bathtub range. We are pleased to introduce a freestanding version of our Inset Classic Duo Oval bathtub. The design philosophy is puristic simplicity and simple elegance. Classic Duo Oval is a dual-ended bathtub with two identical backrests and centrally positioned waste outlets. Classic Duo Oval Freestanding is a steel enamel bathtub with high-grade polyurethane panels, which was created to meet current market demand in the affordable luxury price segment. The product is perfectly price positioned for individual or a project clients. Classic Duo Oval Freestanding bathtub comes in two sizes, 180 by 80 and 175 by 75 centimeters. The bathtub itself is available in all coordinated colors, where the panel is only available in alpine white or black color and in either glossy or matte finish. And now we would like to mention changes to our website. So, new KALDEWEI website. As the world becomes more and more digital, we have made some improvements in redesign of our website by simplifying your navigation around it and by focusing on essential information categories. Whether you're an individual customer looking to design and plan your own bathroom, we have brought out our new 3D bathroom planner software, which is available on our website, or if you're a professional working with Revit and looking to download specific product file formats, all is now available at your fingertips. We encourage you to spend some time and browse throughout the website and discover a fascinating world of KALDEWEI. Now I bet we have a few questions from the audience. Ella, would you like to read out the questions and I will try to answer?
Yeah, let me go into the system. Yeah, there are definitely a few questions. I will start with the first one. If I install a tight channel solution, I'm quite flexible in the size. What about the Nexus? In how many sizes is the Nexus available?
Well, it's kind of an individual design. Nexus comes in 20 different dimensions, I think starting from 80 by 80 to 90 by 170 centimeters, in 24 different color options and 5 different color finishes for the waist covers. I'm certain you will find the size you require.
Okay, thank you, Sergey. The second one is, please clarify if all 3 Kayono wash basins come in the same size.
Yes, all 3 models will come exactly in the same size. You can choose between the models depending on the required installation type.
Will the Ming be available as well in the coordinated colors?
Yes, Ming comes in all available colors options.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. Question for, can you tell us and indicate price for a Classic Duo Oval freestanding bathtub?
Good question. With regards to the pricing inquiries, I would advise to contact our local distributors in the market for such information. Alternatively, please feel free to get in touch with me directly. My contact details are available on our website under the contact section.
Okay, thank you, Sergey. Looking at the clock, our time is already kind of up. I'm really sorry. I know there are plenty of questions sitting here in the chat, but don't worry. If we haven't addressed your question during this live session, we will be sure to answer them afterwards. Please check your inbox after for our reply kind of in the next days. I hope you enjoyed the presentation today. Stay safe and healthy and enjoy the rest of the day. See you soon.
I certainly enjoyed the time with you. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope we can meet again in person very soon. Keep well.